Hey, this is Mike Hobbs and welcome to my video bootcamp lesson for today. Today I'm going to talk about how to build your own website. Now this is something that a lot of people don't know how to do and because they're intimidated, but I'm going to show you a software called Voda, and it's a website builder, and you need absolutely no HTML at all. It's by far the easiest website builder that I know of. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to build a website. So you go into your Voda software, and then there's this little thing called New. You just click New, and then you're going to notice there's a lot of different options that you can do. You can get really fancy with this. They have tons of options. The only ones I'm going to feature right now, the only ones that you really need to know about, are the Publish button that publishes your site, one click, and then the Preview button will preview it before you publish it. The little text box, images, shape, and this little HTML box. So I'm going to show you exactly how I build websites really quick. Okay, all you got to do is right click, page properties, choose a font that you like. I actually like this font. I got introduced to it from one of my business partners, and it works really well for me. And then I just like to do size 14, and then I make the page height really big just to have some room to work with. Center it on the browser, name your page, just name it my business, and then you want to choose a background color. You can keep it white, but I like to just kind of make a light color in the background. Click OK. There you go, your color's there. And then you just need to click shape. So you get your shape and just kind of make it the width that you want. I usually just keep it in between the 100 and the 700 there. And just kind of drag it the length that you want it. And of course I'm going to change the color. I like a white backdrop, so there you go. Just click it on the white, and then I like to have a border around it too, so just click the little enable border width 2, and there you go. There's your background basic template for your website. Now you just need to add some text to it and some other things, so you just click the little text box that I showed you up there, and then just kind of center it to the page that you're working on. And there you go. And then I like to center it. Since this is a headline, you just gotta kind of say something to catch their attention. Oops. There, that's simple. And then I usually make the headlines a little bit bigger than 14, 18. Change the color to red, and then global resorts, I usually leave that black, and then I'll bold it. So it's just kind of like Microsoft Word in that aspect. Really simple. Put the headline at the top. Now to put a video in, it's really simple. This little HTML box, all you do is click it. You make it the size you want. Usually YouTube videos are 425 width, so you just get this little ruler here. You can just kind of measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, and then they're usually about 344 height. So 1, 2, 3, right there. That's about how big the YouTube video will be. Just kind of center it. You're good to go. And then now you just need an opt-in form, which I use Aweber personally. And so first you'll just make some text to get them to want to opt into your page. Your video will actually be doing that. Just say something here like, yes, Mike. Center this. Change that color. And you can do anything you want with this. I mean, you can make this bigger, you can customize it however you want. I just personally like to do it like this. So there you go. Now you got your text. And then to do an Aweber, it's the exact same thing as a YouTube video. You just click the little HTML box and you put it right underneath the text that you just did, about that size, and then there you go. There's your website. Now you just got to do is get your YouTube code, your Aweber code, and that is very simple. You just go your Aweber account, you log in, you go to list settings, web form, you pick on one of your lists, and then you just click get HTML. This little code right here, you click it, you right click, copy, okay, go back here, double click your HTML box, right click, paste, okay, there you go, there's your opt-in. Now you just need your YouTube video, so just go to your YouTube account, pick a video, one of your videos, click it. It's going to probably start playing, so you'll want to pause it.
Hey, I'm Mike Hobbs here with Global Resorts Network.
Okay, then there's a little thing called embed code. You just click the embed code, right click, copy, go back here, double click, right click, paste, okay. And there you go, your website is completely done, and we can preview it here. You just click preview, and there we go, we have the website built right there. It took me less than 10 minutes, around, and it just has my video here, has my opt-in form, name, best email and phone number, and the submit button. So really, that was really simple. You can build as many unlimited websites as you want. The only requirement they have is that you have a Voda hosting account. Blue Voda will only publish to a Voda hosting account. So you can see here, Voda hosting, you have to order this, and it's 600 gigabytes of disk space for only $7.95. If you compare that to another competitor called GoDaddy, you'll see here their premium plan, $14.99 a month, okay, and they only give you 300 gigabytes of space and 300,000 gigabytes of transfer. Voda Host alone gives double that for half the price. So they're very competitive, but anytime you need a website up, you need hosting account anyway, and you need a domain name. So this is, you can get this really cheap, $7.95. And then the other requirement is a Aweber account so they can put their name, email, and phone number, and you can create autoresponder messages. And Aweber is $19 a month. So you combine that with Voda, that's about $27 a month. You can have unlimited websites and build them less than 10 minutes for your splash pages, and you can get more fancy and put bigger and better pages together like I've built for myself. But I mean, if you just want simple websites that actually convert better, you can just build it here in Blue Voda. So go ahead and go order Voda hosting, get your websites up and built. Give me a call if you want to join and partner up with me and I'll show you some more techniques and training on this awesome software. So I look forward to talking to you and have an awesome day.